guys, my name is Eliana and welcome back to my channel. This video is the start of a new series that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I am super stoked about this because I set out to basically start 2021 with a lot of different goals. Wanted to strive to do something that was a very achievable goal and just kind of really push myself both mentally and physically. So I've decided that I'm gonna be doing a half marathon before my next birthday, which my birthday, if you guys don't know, I am a Gemini baby. My birthday is June 9th. So I have decided that I'm gonna be doing a half marathon on June 8th and it's gonna be virtual. So I started looking up, half marathons near me. And I started realizing, obviously, this pandemic is still going very strong and all of the half marathons were virtual. And I'm thinking in my head, well, I'm not gonna be spending money for a virtual half marathon when I can literally just run it by myself. Set it on my date, on my calendar. I'm gonna be running the half marathon race by myself on June 8th. There's a really beautiful park pretty close to my house, about 30 minutes away, that I already know I want to run it there. I already downloaded my app. I downloaded the training program that I'm going to be doing. I got a fresh pair of shoes for the race, which I'm probably going to have to buy one more pair. I wanted to film this video and tell you guys that this is going to be a super exciting series on my YouTube channel. It's going to be dedicated to this half marathon training. So if you out there watching have been wanting to do a half marathon, this is your moment. Come join me. You're probably wondering, Eliana, why in the hell do you want to run a half marathon? That's insane. To be honest with you, right now I've been so stressed out with work. It's just been insane. I feel like every time I start working, I've been getting a lot of anxiety. Running in the mornings before I start my day has helped me so much, just kind of have a more positive mindset before I start working and just have more energy. I felt like I was just becoming addicted to coffee because I would drink a coffee in the morning, in the afternoon, and then sometimes at night when I wanted to do like social media stuff, and it was just becoming too much. I started thinking about, just moments where I've had these kind of ruts a little bit and where I've felt a lot of anxiety and a lot of stress. And it brought me to my time when I was in college. I forced myself to study a major that I was not at all happy with. I wasn't interested in it. As a daughter of like an immigrant parent, I was like, oh, you have to be a lawyer or you have to be a doctor, which now is like such freaking BS, but that's what I had in my head. And I was like, I have to force myself to study this. And I was miserable. I was miserable doing it. And I was so stressed out all the time. And that's when I started running. And literally I would run, there's like hills where I went to school, and I would run up and down the hills. I would run just like not even timers, but I'm just gonna go on a run for an hour. And I'm telling you, if you're not a runner, you honestly would probably not understand. But if you've ever been on a long run, your mind just like zones out. And it's this crazy thing where you have these moments where you're just like, your thoughts are gone. It's like so weird, I don't know how to explain it, but when you're on a long distance run, your body after a while just goes in auto mode and your mind just kind of zones out, and it's the most liberating feeling because you're not thinking about all your worries going on. It's just, you're kind of like just focused on the movements that you're doing, and your goal is to run X amount of miles, and it's so weird. Your mind just like zones out. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but if any of you relate to what I'm saying or can maybe explain it in a better way, then comment below, help me out. It's just the most incredible feeling. And it's just so exhilarating when you set yourself a goal of, okay, I'm running X amount of miles, and you do it and you accomplish it, and your body hurts, but you mentally, you're like, whoa, I just pushed myself so hard and I did it. I accomplished that goal. And I'll never forget the first and second time I ran my half marathons finishing. It's just the most incredible feeling. It's overwhelming, and it's just a great sense of accomplishment. If you're watching, I challenge you to run this half marathon with me because It's just such an incredible experience, and you push your body to such amazing limits. That is why I'm doing this. I'm doing this half marathon, and I'm so excited to kick ass on race day. We can both do this together. Now, I'm not a novice runner. I have run in the past. I've actually done 2 half marathons while I was in college. I'm not a novice runner, but I'm definitely not in my prime shape right now. So a lot of the runs that I have been going on have been really tough. My times are really horrible. So I kind of just wanted to start from ground zero and start back up. I've been just kind of trying to get some mileage done. I've been doing like 4 miles here, 5 miles here, just to kind of see if I even have any endurance left, which I have, but my body is exhausted. Official training program for the half marathon starts in roughly, I think like 2 weeks. If you're watching this video and you want to train for the half marathon with me and run the virtual race on June 8th, then subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then turn on the bell notifications. That way you're notified every time I post a new video in this series. I'm making 13 videos for this series to represent the 13 miles that we will both be running. I wanted to share with you guys kind of what to expect as a part of this series. But if you are interested in being updated in my training every single day, I post on my Instagram every single day on my stories, and I actually will be posting on my feed my full week of training splits. So I'm gonna be showing you what I work out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and what I do, whether the mileage, so I'll show you what I'm running, the mileage and the tempo that I'm trying to run at. So if you're already kind of at my pace and you want to join in the training, then you can literally screenshot it, save the post, save it on Instagram, and you can train with me. Don't worry, for those of you that are following me for my haul videos and my makeup videos, I'm still gonna be doing all of those. In fact, I am already working on a next haul video. I'm not gonna tell you which brand it is, but it is coming very soon, and I bought so many amazing things. I'm so excited to share that with you guys, and I have a couple more makeup videos that I wanna do coming very soon. So stay tuned. I'm so excited to keep making more videos. So that's it, guys. I can't wait to do my virtual half marathon, and I hope that a lot of you will join me. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.